guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. We have a very exciting day. We are going to attempt to do 4 parks in one day, and I'm pretty sure we will be able to succeed. It is at 9:30 right now and we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are going to head over to the safari first. The day is our oyster, whatever you want to say. We have no plans really. We're going to do Animal Kingdom, Studios, Epcot, and then end at Magic Kingdom tonight. So let's get started.
Most importantly, they've got those little horns on top of their heads. Those are called ossicones, and they're actually not even horns. They are bones. It's a part we have in our whole body. They can also hold up to about 8 liters of water within those trunks. So if you think of like a 2. Now as we make this turn, my friends, we're gonna keep a close eye up on our left side. Ooh, but I've already spotted a couple cheetahs. Now that is if there are cubs. If there are no cubs, the males are gonna be out hunting with the females. When I see the male coming up there. Now my friends, those cheetahs that we saw.
We're now leaving Animal Kingdom. The game plan, we have 3 game plans. First game plan is to either go to the Riviera and take the Skyliner, Pop Century and take the Skyliner, because each of them you have to go back to the hub, or get the boardwalk bus and walk, because right now you cannot get a bus from park to park. So we will do that, and then we will head to Studios, and then after Hollywood Studios we will take the Skyliner over to Epcot. There's the boardwalk bus right there, so not getting that one. Pop Century is that way. Yeah, it's 28. So we're just gonna do Riviera.
Pop Century is the play.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're doing Pop Century. That could be Pop Century's bus right there, because they're 28. Or Art of Animation, either one. Same thing. So. And then once we are done with Epcot, we will take the monorail. So we're gonna do lots of fun, different transportation options today. So we actually came to Art of Animation because that is where the bus was at, and it's so cute. We've never stayed here. Oh, I love it. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Radiator Springs.
How adorable is Art of Animation? I cannot believe we have not stayed here yet. It is the cutest theming I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. But we are heading over to the Skyliner so we can get over to Hollywood Studios. Disney World transportation really just makes park hopping so much easier, in my opinion, because you can get to different resorts so easily, whether it's the Skyliner, a boat, the monorail, the buses. Highly recommend using Disney transportation during your next visit.
Made it to Hollywood Studios. My 2 park hoppers.
That's a good moment. You're good?
Thank you.
And have the perfect fit. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Oh, no! It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
we are going on Remy's Ratatouille adventure. Woo! Okay, number 3 is done. You did it. You did number 3. Now we're headed to our last park of the day. It is, I don't know what time it is because my watch is dead, but we're gonna head to the monorail over to Magic Kingdom. 350. That's good. My hands are sticky from my peanut butter ice cream, but it was delicious. And we don't know what we're gonna ride in Magic Kingdom. We are just gonna see what the wait times are. But we are on our 3rd transportation system of the day.
Storm was a brewing and it got really windy, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover here for the next couple of clips. But again, Disney transportation from Epcot, we were able to take the monorail over to the TTC. The TTC is the Ticket and Transportation Center. If you ever drive to Magic Kingdom or get an Uber or a Lyft, this is where you're going to get dropped off. From the TTC, you can take the monorail over to Magic Kingdom, you can take the monorail over to Epcot or all of the Magic Kingdom resorts. So that is Grand Floridian, Polynesian, and the Contemporary. You can also take the ferry boat, which at this point of the day, we're like, let's add another transportation option in. And we are going to take the ferry boat over to Magic Kingdom. Something that's nice about the TTC is that you're already going to go through security. So once you get back over to the Magic Kingdom, you do not have to do security again. Look at those clouds. Oh my goodness. We did get caught in the rain, but thankfully we were able to hop on Pirates right when we got in. It was only about a 5-minute wait. I think I share that in this next video. But look how empty Magic Kingdom was. No one was here this day. They did have an after hours event, so maybe that was it. But oh my gosh, the wait times were wonderful. So the thing with after hours events is they do not make the park close early like a Halloween or a Christmas party does. And on a Christmas party or Halloween party night at Magic Kingdom, normally the park is just a ghost town during the day, because if you're coming to visit, you're not going to want to visit Magic Kingdom on a shortened park day unless you have tickets to that party, obviously. After hours event, I didn't think would affect that, but this day in general, the wait times were pretty low throughout all of the parks. It was a random Monday in between the spring breaks possibly, but we very much enjoyed it, got on Pirates, and officially completed our 4 parks in one day.
Made it to Magic Kingdom. Started to rain. We jumped on Pirates. It was only a 5-minute wait. And now we are by Tiana's Bayou Adventure. And we are going to jump on the train. But we did it. 4 parks one day. Challenge completed. How do you feel?
Great. Totally not stuffy.
So that's going to be it for our 4 parks in one day. We rode a lot of fun rides in each park. We just took a picture. Nothing too crazy with them no longer having restrictions on park hopping. It is definitely doable. All you need is a park hopper ticket. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I will see you real soon. Bye! I'm gonna go eat some corn dogs.